Philippine Plan of Action for Nutrition, or PPAN, was developed to serve as the national blueprint that addresses the root causes of malnutrition across all life stages. And this year's Nutrition Month is part of that strategic movement. So how do we move forward? First, we need to bring food closer to the table. That means supporting local farmers and fisher folks. It means investing in a climate-smart agriculture and improving our logistics and food distribution systems so that even the most remote barangay can access affordable and nutritious food. Second, we need to change the way we think about food. Nutrition education must be mainstream from schools, workplaces, from households to policy halls. We must promote breastfeeding, complementary feeding, balanced diet, and mindful consumption. Food should nourish, not just fill. Third, we need to strengthen our local nutrition action. LGUs are at the front line. You must craft and implement costed local nutrition action plans. When we say costed, it is budgeted, sufficiently budgeted local nutrition action plans. Support our food gardens, feeding programs, and establish food banks or pantries. If we can mobilize the barangays for clean-up drive, we can surely mobilize them to fight hunger and malnutrition. Fourth, we must protect the vulnerable. The first 1,000 days from conception to a child's second birthday are critical for lifelong health and productivity. Programs like the Tuto Kainan Dietary Supplementation Program, the Supplementary Feeding Program of the SWD, and the School-Based Feeding Program of DepEd must be continuously strengthened, expanded, and funded. Fifth, let us be mindful of our consumption. Food waste is a hidden crisis. You agree? While others go hungry, millions of kilos of food are thrown away. Let's buy wisely, cook responsibly, and eat mindfully. The change starts in our kitchen.